Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery. In BL tonight, we're going to kick it off talking about MPC Caribbean Clean Energy here. They're coming up with an advisory to the Jamaica Stock Exchange with a communication of investment in a foreign entity. Now, it sounds very complicated based on the headline, but it's pretty simple. MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, effective the 22nd of September 2021, is stating that they've submitted as a shareholder who's invested in the Cayman Islands-based company, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy Fund, LLC. So it's two different businesses or companies, and it's for a committed amount of US $10 million. Next up tonight, we got IronRock Insurance Company Limited trading in their shares. It's a buyer purchase here. You're seeing that trend quite a bit with IronRock. They're not massive trades or huge trades, but a connected party here buying up a total of just over 61,000 shares during the period September 14th to September 20th. 2021. Now the big kahuna, the big company, Barita Investments Limited, we spoke about them earlier this week, but talking again about their APO, that's the additional public offer. The closure notice now out within 24 hours, 36 hours or so on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Barita states with the advisor here to the JSE that it's not only closed, but we're going to assume it's oversubscribed. They don't state that, let's say very openly in the release here, but there's some takeaways. We can assume this on Business Live. And what they say is that further to the prospectus dated August 26, 2021, the offer closed September 21st, 2021. So Barita, folks, is potentially now going to rival Jamaica's commercial banks. Let's see how this pans out, but it's going to be a fun and interesting 1 to 2 years ahead, that 5-year timeline. Next up tonight, we've got Sagicor Select Funds Limited, updated, unaudited net asset value. Don't mix it up with the market prices. So Sagicor Select here, the NAV prices continue to seesaw a bit, but they've been doing much better than, let's say, 2020 or so, or the last couple of months. So still getting their act together. Now, as at September 22nd, 2021, the financial just under 80 cents, 79 cents and change. Same date as at September 22nd, manufacturing and distribution. That's the other one, just under $1.06 per share. Now, overseas markets, Darden Restaurants, lots of persons love, the parent company in terms of their holdings, Olive Garden, as well as Longhorn Steakhouse, hitting a super high, all-time high, beating earning estimates and revenue estimates. So the company speaks to this and discloses actually a stock buyback. Now the net income actually hit 230.9 million US versus 36.1 million US. I mean, huge increase. And as we mentioned, Longhorn Steakhouse, who would have thought it, doing much better than some of the other sister companies. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.